Hello, children. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are having a good day. Are you? Because today I am going to read this book which is called One of Those Days. Yes, sometimes um, we are having different experiences during the day and which are not so pleasant, which are not so good, and that is what this book is about. So let's see. For example, you could be standing at a bus stop waiting for a bus, and a car comes and splashes dirt on your dress, or suddenly it starts to rain, or you could be having a freak hair day like that. You see that it refuses to settle down, that curl on top of the head. Or it could be an annoying sibling day. Brothers or sisters, older or younger, could sometimes be very annoying. Or you are running late day. You're running late day, which means that maybe you are late for school. Of course, these days you are at home, not going to school, but it could be going anywhere, and one is late. No fair day, which means that maybe the ice cream which was kept for you has been eaten by your younger sibling, your younger brother or your younger sister. Um, Keep spilling stuff day. You want to carry things safely, but it's a spilling kind of a day, and nobody's listening to you day. Now that can be extremely frustrating, annoying, that no one is listening. Yes. What else? Okay, too windy day. Everything is flying off because it's too windy and you don't like that. Say the wrong thing day. Words, one has to be extremely careful, because once you say them, you can't bring them back. So it happens that sometimes it's you are saying the wrong things day. Best friend acting more like a beast day. If you add a in best, it becomes beast. So sometimes that too happens, that a best friend can say something or do something which is very hurtful. Fun thing cancel day. You want to go out and play, but you can't for whatever reason. Maybe it is, there is thunder and lightning and heavy rainfall, or maybe it is just that the sun is too hot and your mother says, no, you can't go and play outside today. And big day, kind of disappointing day. Now that is, let's see, maybe it's your birthday, which is a big day, but your grandparents get you a present, a gift, which is for a younger you. You don't wear that any longer, or it is too something which a younger child will appreciate, but you have grown up a whole year and they don't realize it. Can't afford it day. You see that? Oh, wouldn't you want that ice cream with scoops, one on top of the other piled up, but you can't afford it. You don't have enough money to buy that, so you just get one scoop. Feeling left out day. That too happens, that you feel left out, you are not included in the game, and you feel very sorry for yourself. You think you are right, but no one else thinks so day. Hmm. Ah, ah. Answer to everything is no day. Now, that often happens with parents, that sometimes they are in no mood to say yes to whatever you are asking for, and say no, no, no. can't find stuff day. If you're not careful with your things, you are disorganized, then you can't find things, and that is your can't find stuff thing day. And luckily for all of us, although we go through such days, but luckily every single one of those days turns into night. It does, right? And then every night turns into day. And hopefully, the next day is a very good day, bright day, cheerful day, happy day. And so I wish you a very happy day. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Khuda Hafiz.